Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shehbaz S here. In the previous video, we tested the normality of the data using Shapiro-Wilk and Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, where we mainly examine statistical significance, and here we are going to visually inspect the distribution of our data. Basically, Q-Q stands for Quantile-Quantile plot. It provides a graphical and visual method for assessing whether our data follow a normal distribution or not. What is a Q-Q plot? Q-Q plot compares the observed quantiles of our data with the theoretical quantiles expected from a normal distribution. So the basic interpretation is very simple. If the points fall approximately along the diagonal reference line, our data can be considered normal distributed, otherwise not. So now we are going to perform the analysis. We click on Analyze, then click on Descriptive Statistics, then click on Explore, and put all the measurement scales in dependent list. Okay, now click on Statistics. We keep the things remain as it is. Click on Continue, then click on Plots, and we need histogram and normality plots with test. Click on Continue and keep as it is. Continue and click on OK. So we have obtained the results. You can see these are descriptive statistics with mean, median, variance, standard deviation, minimum, maximum range, interquartile range, skewness, and kurtosis. So below, these are two tests of normality we have already tested in the previous video: Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and Shapiro-Wilk test. So in both cases, our data shows there is normality. Okay, now the most important thing we are going to do, we test the normality of data using Q-Q plot and histogram. So you can see the data of attitude is bell-shaped. So it means it looks like normal data. On the other hand, if we go to Q-Q plot, the most important thing I told you, if the dots, it means these are points, observed points. If they are touch this reference line, this trend line, so it means there is normality of the data. So this is very important thing to see that, because these points should be touch this trend line very closely. Okay, so on the other hand, we see the histogram of intention to adopt measurement scale. So we also can infer that there is normality of the data, because histogram shows a bell curve chart. So in this case, we also confirm the normality of the data. So we also see the Q-Q plot. So you can see all points touch the main reference line. So there is no scatter of points. So that's why we can simply infer the result that there is also normality of the data for intention to adopt measurement scale. So in other case, we see perceived ease of use variable, and we also see the data shows bell-shaped curve. So we can also expect the normative data if we confirm from the Q-Q plot. So you can see the plot of perceived ease of use. All the points touch the main reference line. So it means there is also normality of the data for perceived ease of use. So in this way, you can use Q-Q plot and histogram chart to test the normality of data. Thank you very much for my video. So if you like and found that my video helpful, so please subscribe to the channel and click on notification button so you can get my new video